What is up, Midway Mayhem fans? This is Dan, and we're checking back in from SeaWorld Orlando for another Pipeline the Surf Coaster construction update. As I was driving in, good news, the turn right here, one of the last ones before the end of the layout, well, it's complete. So a bunch of new track and supports have gone up in the last 48 hours. Yesterday I did stop by the park, but only saw them put up one piece of track, but I saw them put up at least 7 supports. Just didn't do an update, wanted to show you a better view of everything today. I can see Sky Tower up at the top, but the maintenance doors are open at the very top, so unfortunately, looks like we're not going to be doing Sky Tower. Lots of new brackets for the netting that's going to be along the inversion. Parking was a breeze, same with security. Not many people at the ticket booths. And turnstiles, there's nobody. Don't see anybody. Well, actually I take that back. There are 2 guys right there working on the launch track. And inversion looking good, airtime hill looking good. Don't see any guys doing torque striping or working on the netting for the turn though. It's all right. Let's head inside the park though. Yep, like usual, no wait to get through, and we are on our way. Kind of warmer right now, but this morning it's kind of chilly. So we do have a storm front coming in tomorrow, Thursday, and it's calling for like 90-100% chance of rain. So I don't think they're going to be doing much work tomorrow, and I don't think we're going to have an update. Pipeline train still out here in the front. Come get a view of it because it's going to be leaving soon to head inside the maintenance barn. And yes, the rubber bloops are here today. Split point, and sadly enough, Sky Tower is still up at the top with the maintenance doors open. So that means we are going over to the bridge. Ta-da! We have arrived at the bridge, and good news, I can see the crane is in the air. It wasn't when I first got here, but it is now, and there's a piece of track right below it. So I'm thinking we might see another piece installed right now. So one of the final 3 turns, the one that's by the station, is complete. And that next segment is going to go right underneath, it looks like, of that airtime hill and the final turn. So we have kind of an S turn after that, and then it'll go into the brakes. But as of right now, they only have 2 turns left. Yep, it's a good day. Thank you, construction ducks, even though you're really sleepy.
announcement so we can all have plenty of fun on the ice. Let's start off by...
And the next piece of track is going in right now. Looks like the maintenance barn is getting a cover now. And here's a little better view of that piece of track going in from the bridge area. Alright, straps just went loose, so that means the piece is in place. So the total install time for that last piece, I know it was low to the ground and everything, but it took 12 minutes. That's pretty quick. There goes the crane. So yep, pieces in place. They're all done. It's towards the end of the day, so I think they will not be putting up any more segments. That's right, they were busy today. Just like what we said in our last update, some of the best views of all the construction right now is actually from the parking lot. So I want to show you some of the views right there. And then since we don't have Sky Tower, after those parking lot views, let's go fly the drone, shall we? per usual, beautiful views of the construction from the drone. Now, I want some beautiful views of my pink chickens. There they are. I was looking all over for Sprinkles and Sunday. Well, I found them right here. Fight. Fight. Well, guys, that's going to do it for another update here from SeaWorld Orlando for Pipeline the Surf Coaster. Unfortunately, Manta is not running right now, so we won't have a flyby, but Pipeline construction is looking really good. They added about 5 pieces of track, maybe more today, and a bunch of supports yesterday. I am expecting the layout will be finished next week. With the storm coming in tomorrow, I don't know if they're going to really push to get it done by Friday, so it looks like next week the layout will be done for Pipeline. Of course, we do have the train showing up, and Maintenance Barn is getting some work, so it looks like those are going to be showing up inside the barn pretty soon. Of course, we're going to have plenty more updates from here, so if you like what we do, follow us on Facebook, Instagram, YouTube, Twitter, Midway Mayhem. And I will see you out on the Midway, guys. Bye.